Hello everyone, this is Mahima Singh, legal intern at Lexis and Company. Firstly, happy Holi to all. Now, today's topic is 617 of CPC, Amendments of Pleading. The court decides a case on the basis of its merit on the basis of facts, proof and evidence. Suppose the merits of the case are not completely mentioned in the pleadings of the certain case, then the decision made by the court cannot be considered complete justice as the merits were not completely mentioned. It may also happen that the merits that were not mentioned held an important aspect regarding the case. Keeping this in mind, the courts are empowered to grant permission to amend the pleadings. Hence, the concept of amending pleading steps in. Order 6, Rule 17 of the CPC grants permission to the parties to case to amend their pleadings at any stage of the proceeding. The proviso of this order and rule says that after the trial has commenced, an application for amendment shall not be allowed. However, it might be allowed if the court thinks that in the spite of due diligence, it was not possible for the party to raise the matter before the trial commenced. This statement can be explained using the following example. First, a person by the name of A files a lawsuit against B. The suit was filed in a hurry because it had some limitations. So after filing the suit, A realizes that there are some important facts, proofs or documents that could have been added to his pleading earlier but could not do so as they were not in his knowledge at the time. In this case, the court might have given a permission to amend his pleading. It is the discretionary of the court to grant permission or not. Such application is not governed by court of limitation. That means there is no limitation available against this provision, and an application to amend the pleading can be granted at any stage of the pleadings. Thank you very much.